In the heart of Bengaluru, rows of sleek Tejas fighters stand ready, but silent. Their wings are built, their systems are wired, their radars shine. But one thing is missing, their heartbeat, the engine. For almost 2 years, India's ambitious Tejas Mk1A program waited for this heartbeat to arrive from across the ocean. But now, that wait is finally over. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has sealed a $1 billion agreement with the GE Aerospace USA for 113 F404 GE 20 engines, marking one of the biggest Indo-US defense collaborations ever. These engines will power the next generation of Tejas Mk1A fighter jets, a symbol of India's journey toward complete air power independence. Welcome to Defense Affairs 24, where we decode the future of global military technology. If you love defense content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for in-depth military comparison and analysis. The light combat aircraft Tejas was born from a dream to build a homegrown fighter that could replace India's aging MiG-21s. Work began in the 1980s, and after years of design trials, wind tunnel tests, and avionics development, the Tejas finally took flight in 2001. The first Tejas Mk1 entered service with the Indian Air Force in 2016. Later came the most advanced Mk1A, fitted with modern SI radar, electronic warfare systems, and BVR missile capability, making it India's most advanced indigenous jet to date. At the center of every Tejas lies the F404 engine. Built by GE Aerospace, it produces 9,000 pounds or 8,500 kgf of thrust, enough to push the Tejas past Mach 1.6 and give it unmatched agility in dogfights. The F404 has powered legendary jets like the FA-18 Hornet and Sub-Gripen. Its reliability made it the best choice for India's lightweight fighter. For Tejas, this engine isn't just a component, it is the heartbeat, the soul that transforms metal and circuits into a living machine of the skies. But this heartbeat came late, very late. Back in 2021, HAL and GE signed a contract for 99 F404 IN-20 engines, and deliveries were expected by March 2023. However, global supply chain disruptions, COVID-era factory slowdowns, and the shutdown of GE's F-04 production line caused a major setback. The first engines reached India only by March 2025, almost 2 years behind schedule. HAL had completed multiple Tejas airframes, but they sat grounded, waited for engines. The Indian Air Force's induction plant was disrupted, forcing HAL to even use temporary Category B engines for testing. India later penalized GE Aerospace for the delay, emphasizing how critical this project was for national defense. Finally, in early 2025, the crisis began to ease as GE delivered the first engines.
India signs $1 billion deal with the US firm GE for fighter jet engines.
Learning from past hurdles, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and General Electric have now signed a fresh $1 billion deal for 113 new F404 IN-20 engines. Deliveries will begin in 2027 and continue throughout 2032. Supporting the production of 97 Tejas Mk1A jets under a 62,000 crore Indian rupees contract approved by the Indian government. This long-term agreement ensures engine supply stability and solidifies India-US defense cooperation, proving that the Tejas program is here to stay. Over the years, the Tejas program has evolved along with its engines. Early prototypes, PV series, used the F404 F2 Jet3 engine. Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A now use the advanced F404 IN20 with higher thrust and digital controls. Tejas Mk2 under development will use the more powerful F414IN S6 engine, producing nearly 22,000 lbf or 10,000 kgf of thrust on par with Western 4.5 generation fighters like Rafale and Gripen E. India also plans to co-produce the F414 engine in India, a major leap toward indigenous jet engine manufacturing. The Tejas isn't just another fighter jet, it is a strategic necessity. For over 60 years, the MiG-21 formed the backbone of the Indian Air Force, but after hundreds of crashes and the limits of aging design, the MiG-21 fleet is finally being retired. Each squadron withdrawn leaves a critical gap in India's air defense network. The Tejas Mk1A fills that void, offering modern avionics, radar, precision weapons, and the ability to perform air defense, strike, and maritime missions. It's light, fast, reliable, and most importantly, made in India. Every Tejas delivered means fewer imports and stronger self-reliance under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL plans to deliver the first 6 Tejas Mk1A jets by 2026 and gradually increase production to 16 per year. The partnership with the General Electric will pave the way for giant engine production in India, not only for Tejas Mk2 but also for the twin-engine deck-based fighter for the Indian Navy. This success could even open the doors for export orders from the Southeast Asia. After years of waiting, the heartbeat of Tejas has finally returned. With each F404 engine arriving, another Indian fighter takes flight. The HAL-GE partnership isn't just about machines, it is about trust, technology, and transformation. As the Tejas Mk1A roars into the skies, it carries the sound of the Indians' aerospace future, a sound that says, "We can build our own wing."